Hello, friends. It's Mrs. Jane on Friday, October the 2nd, 2020, with all the fantastic news you can use about our Fantastic Fours day at school. And so, how did it go? Well, our friends bounded down the stairs as usual after their temperature check with Mrs. Ann, made sure that they hung their backpacks and they put their folders in the take-home box, that they sanitized their hands and signed in with their t-shirts before heading to those tabletop activities. In terms of the tabletops, today on table 1, that's the place where we're going to concentrate on fine motor control, moms and dads, and working on our writing our names. And so today we each were given a name mat and some magnetic letters. And all we were asked to do today was to sort out the letters that belong in our name as opposed to the ones that don't, so that we're recognizing those letters. And then we were given the task of some tracing, and this one brought the birds back to their nests. It was a horizontal, curvy line, so our eyes were going top to bottom along with our markers. Excuse me. On table number 2, it was some buddy math, and we had some buddy building to do. Not body, buddy building. So we had the Duplo blocks out, and once you picked your buddy, the two of you were to construct a tower to see how many blocks you could add before your tower tipped over. And then, of course, the counting was there, as well as some cooperative work as well. We also measured the kids in leaves today. On table number 3, we were decorating our bees. This time, we stapled our bee page to a yellow background before we colored it in with a yellow marker and then added some buttons. On table 4 today, we were making a bee puppet, and this included a brown paper bag with some parts that ended up being Bubbles the bear. So the kids colored the face and the mouth and a little nameplate and then added that to the brown paper bag to make their puppet. That concluded our tabletops. Oh, sorry, we did have our yellow Play-Doh, and we did have some puzzles out as well. We moved to our choo-choo line and then to our hello circle, where we introduced each of the persons of the day, followed by the pledge, an attendance report, good morning song, weather report, a little color check to see where everybody put their color yellow for the day, and then a little moving and grooving till bop till you drop. A fun song. I hope you're seeing the videos that Mrs. Ann is putting on Facebook for that. Then, of course, we headed to our small groups, and today, on the art side of things, we made an interesting fall leaf using what Mrs. Ann calls the magic fold. So the kids were given their large leaf shape. They painted only one side of it, and then when they folded the paper and moved it back and forth, magically the paint from the one side went to the other side. And those will be displayed pretty soon in our corridor, so be on the lookout for that. Along the literacy lines, on the other side of the curtain today, we did a little work with letter B in bobbing for apples. And yes, it is as much fun as it sounds. Everybody had the opportunity to be blindfolded with a red bandana. We twirled you around 3 times, and then you had to put your hand into the water, in the water table, and pull out as many small apples as you could in the timeline given. We gave everybody a few seconds to do it. So that was a lot of fun. Once that was finished, though, it was time for a little break. Trip to the necessary room, a little free read in the library, followed by our delicious snacks. After snacks, we headed to the centers. And of course, as you know, Friday is slide day. So we did some sliding, but then we also did some riding because our bikes were out again today. The stationary ones, as well as the ones that could move about the room. And our bouncy balls. Basketball was back again. Housekeeping was open because the babies do need a lot of care. And this is a great time of year to do baking. Also, let's see if I'm missing anything. Nope, I think that takes care of that. And then, I think probably one of my favorite parts of the day, when we had all of our toys cleaned up and we headed to the story time. Today, the story was all about our Fantastic Fours. And in fact, it was written by our Fantastic Fours. It's our first class book of the year. And so, this one is entitled, We Are Fantastic, We Are Four, We are the Fantastic Fours. And it includes a picture of each of our friends and tells a little bit about them, how tall they are in apples, what their favorite color is, and what they like to eat. And just so that you're aware, go back to that little memo that came home the other day explaining how we rotate the book and how we circulate the book. And that is through the kids in the can method. Each of the kids has their picture on a stick, remember? We put it in the can that says Lucky Ducky on it. And then the one who is chosen is the lucky ducky who takes home the book. Now, we just remind everybody to please try to remember to return that book the next class day after you've received it, so that the next person in rotation can get their opportunity to share it with their family. After our story time, of course, we concluded with our goodbye circle, a little preview of what's going to happen on Monday, and our goodbye song before heading off to you and the rest of our day and a wonderful weekend. A couple of customer service announcements, parents, as we go forward. Just remembering that color yellow will follow us into next week. Letter C next week, starting on Monday. And we ask, how many C words do you think you can come up with? Hopefully, countless number. Let's see. Oh, toy cleaning. Our first toy cleaning session is going to be this Tuesday, October the 6th. That starts at 7 p.m. And I believe the Cassert and McLean families, it's your turn on this round. And not to worry, parents, we leave a very detailed list of the things that need to be cleaned. We put out most of the things right there in the center of the room for you to take care of. And let's see, picture day is coming, and our picture mom will be sending out the details of that. It happens on Wednesday, October the 14th, which is a regular class day for the kids. So you really don't have to sign up for a time, because we'll just take the kids one at a time from class to have their photo taken and bring them right back into the classroom. And hopefully everybody signed up and paid for their first field trip to Kalkenberg Farm on the 8th. And I think that just about covers it for here for now. As always, if you have any questions or comments, concerns, please, please, please reach out. We'd be happy to answer. And always remember that it's always a good day to have a good day at Jack and Jill. We wish you a very pleasant weekend. See y'all on Monday. Bye now.